everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys can see my stuff right here. Anyways, I went to CVS and first thing I do is I go to the red box machine and all it does is have a blinking heart on it. It said that there's maintenance or whatever and there's technical difficulties. Well, there was a really bad wind outside, it's bad wind. And so I went to the store manager and she said, yeah, sometimes when it's bad weather the machine gets down, which is weird. Well then, I'm like, okay, that's fine. But the only thing I was really wanted was my instant coupons because those don't print. I know if I print them off, they show up in my app, but if I don't print them, they don't show up. So, but anyways, I was supposed to, then I started using the app. Well, I would scan the products and nothing would scan. It said that their system's down. They're having technical difficulties. I was trying to add some of my CRTs that I had, and it said that you can't add it at this time, and I'm like, oh my god, like I was ready to walk out the door. I'm like, I drove all the way here for nothing, and I was just ready to walk out the door because nothing was going right. But I'm like, you know what, I'm still gonna get my stuff anyways. So I grabbed a couple things, and she said that what I plan on getting next week with the instant coupon, she said she'll honor it for me. So I just took a picture of the ad to show the person next week. But you know, I'm an honest person. I'm not trying to ruin the system or anything, but I wanted to just get those for next week. But I'm going to share with you guys what I got. So I've been really trying to push Ibotta deals. I have two deals right now where I can get $10, and then I have another deal where I get $5, I think, or something like that. I can't remember. So I really want to finish those. But I ended up doing the toothpaste deal. Now the toothpaste was $4.59. I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I would pay $8.77 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, and you guys can submit to Ibotta times 3 for $1. Comes out to be just 77 cents or just 26 cents a piece. And I usually say don't pay for toothpaste, but you know what, with Ibotta deals it comes out probably sometimes in a better deal because I can get some money back. Okay, so I got the Kotex. The Kotex was $1.89. I think it was buy one get one 50% off. So I bought 2 of these. I paid $2.83. I got $2 back of an extra care buck, making these just 83 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. So got those. I had 2 CRTs for Lindt chocolates. Now I didn't even bother looking last week to see what deal there was, and I'm like, okay, let's just use it. So these were $5.29. They were buy one get one 50% off. Well, the cheapie that I am, I did not want to do that. So I just bought one of them because I had 2 $1.50 off CRTs for Lindt chocolate for a specific size. So I just paid $2.29 for this. I don't know if it's the greatest deal, but you know what, for something, you know, my husband likes, I thought I'd just treat him and get him something for that. So you guys, I got 3 Paparazzis. So my last week, my CRT, I had a 2 off of 3. So I'm like, okay, if I get 3 of them, I'd pay $7.50, use that $2 off, yada yada yada. And I'm like, okay, it ends up pretty much kind of being the same price. Well, this morning I ended up getting a buy 2 get 1 free CRT, and I had a $1 off of 5 CRT. So, or $5. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use all 3 of them, and all 3 of them worked. So I ended up paying just $2 for the 3 of these, and then I got a $4 extra care buck, so these come out to be a $2 moneymaker. I was pretty excited for doing that. Pretty excited, so I got myself some more makeup. My store was completely sold out of baby lips. I've been feeling like, I love baby lips. My favorite ones was this one, but I don't even think they make this one anymore. But my store was sold out of baby lips, so I ended up getting these, and I found out they were cheaper anyways. But I have so much eyeshadow of this stuff, I wanted to get the baby lips because, yeah. But anyways, these were $4.29. I bought 2 of them. I used that $4 off instant coupon from last week. You would pay $4.58. But then you get a $5 extra care buck, making these a 42-cent moneymaker. So I got these for free. Now, I ended up doing the Axe deal, okay? So I keep getting confused in the Ibotta app thinking it's this, but it's the shampoo, but I ended up doing it this way, okay? So the ex was, and my coupon beeped, and she was like, I don't know what's going on, so I'll explain that in a second. So this was $6.29. This was $5.99, and this was $5.79. So with the coupon right now, it says if you buy one body spray, you get a body wash for free. But they were buy one, get one 50% off. So she typed in the max price for $5.99, it wasn't working. I says type in $3, it wasn't working, and I says type in $2.99 and it worked. Or no, she said it still didn't work. So she ended up just taking, I can't remember, she ended up taking a certain amount off anyways. But if your coupon works, go for it. But then I also had a $1.50 off of 5 Axe spray. So all three of these I paid $7.57. But with Ibotta, you get $1.50 back for buying the shampoo. And then with Shopkick, you get a deal where if you buy all three of these, you get 1,450 points. Or yeah, 1,450 points, which is equivalent to $5.80. So after doing all the math factored in, these came out to be just 27 cents for all three of them. I think that is a great, great, great deal. So I couldn't pass it up. Like I said, I'm really trying to push the Ibotta deals. So we got that. And then this is the last deal I got, is the Cetaphil. I was trying to figure out what CRT I had that would work for this, and nothing was popping up. So I had no CRT to pop up for it. I was typing everything I could and nothing was working. But these were $8.49. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon and a $2 off coupon, I think from last weekend. You would pay $18.47, but then you get a $10 extra care buck, and then you guys can submit $2 with Ibotta times 3. So then it comes out to be $2.47, or just 82 cents a piece. So I'm like, it's an okay deal. So yeah, that was my haul. It wasn't much, but you know what? My total that I paid out of my actual pocket was $13.53. I'm slowly dwindling out of my extra care bucks, which is totally fine because I can always split my transactions if I need to. But I did use $36 worth of extra care bucks, and I did receive $34 back. With Ibotta, I ended up receiving $9 back with Ibotta, and then with Shopkick, I got $5.80. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, but me and them are not on good terms right now for points. But anyways, my grand total came to 73 cents for everything. I was pretty excited how, you know, everything 73 cents for all that stuff. I think that is a great, great deal. But anyways, I will see you guys next week. Hopefully the machines and everything works out better. So see you guys later. Give this video a thumbs up and bye.